So quickly, I want to brief you guys on how to use this site, and then most importantly, how to get article to write, how to search for information, how to get everything you are going to write. As earlier said, I already told you guys that once you submit your article, it will either be accepted or rejected. Most times the articles are rejected, but once you can write like a professional, your articles should be accepted. So in this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to get information that will enable you to write like a professional. You already know that when you log in into this lodpost.com site, it's going to open like this. So what you need to do now is click on add article. Once you click on add article, then you open a new tab, or probably just change your browser. So this is the site you are going to search for, chatgtp.com. Let it enter. So in this ChatGPT, you can ask ChatGPT anything at all. So we are going to tell ChatGPT to help us with an article title that we can post online. So this is how you write it. Generate me a title I can use for an article online. Then you send. So this is ChatGPT reply. It says, sure, could you provide me with some details about the topic of your article? This will help me craft. Okay. ChatGPT wants us to write, to just tell him about anything we want to write on. So I've sent relationship. So this is the title ChatGPT help us to create. Building stronger connection, key. And so what you just need to do now is to just copy the title, paste it on that load post where it says title, paste it there, then go back to ChatGPT, you paste it here. You say write me an article about, then you paste, okay, send. See, it's going to bring every information you need to post. It's going to bring it for you. So what you just need to do is copy everything. You're going to copy everything, then copy, then you paste it on Lodpost. You paste it on the main, so you paste it here. So this summary, you go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to summarize it for you. Just write summarize. See, this is the summary. Okay, let's write summarize. See, ChatGPT have helped us to summarize everything. So what you just need to do now is to just copy all the summary. Copy it like that. Copy all the summary, then you post it. You post it on Lodpost. This place that includes summary. You post it there. Then then you scroll down. This place that says message to the reviewer. Then you go to ChatGPT. You tell ChatGPT to generate me a message. Generate me a message to the reviewer of this article. So of this article. So ChatGPT we give you a message that you can, all you just need to do is just copy and paste it on Lodpost. Paste it there, but don't just paste it there. You have to edit this particular place. Your name, you have to put your name there. Then you go up. This reviewer's name, you have to clear it just like that, and then put reviewer. See that see that here, this branch at the back, you have to just clear it, then you leave the review as there. So what remains now is to look for a picture that suits this article that you have written. Look for a picture. So what you need to do is, you first of all give space for where you want to put the picture. Just 2 shift. Then you go to Google, you copy the title of your article. This is ChatGPT. I want to copy the title of the article. So what you need to do is copy, then go to normal Google. Go to Google, then you copy and paste it there. You search for it, then you click on image. So it's going to bring different pictures. So you just look for a suitable one that suits your article, then you save it. I don't like this one because it's not clear, so I'm going to look for a better one. This one is clear, so I'm going to save this. So you go back to Lodpost. Yeah. So you put your picture there. So that's all. Then you scroll down. Then you click on submit for review. Please don't forget, do not post more than an article in 2 days. Just 1 article in 2 days. Don't forget. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share our post. Thank you.